Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Glow and Grow with Nidhi. I hope you are doing well. I hope आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लिया होगा. So here whoever is preparing for the interview, especially KVS and VS interview, here are some hacks because we all struggle with the fumbleness of our voice when we are under stress. Obviously in pressure it is very it just not happens with you, but it happens with everybody else also. Like when you are under stress your voice fumbles. So I am suggesting you some tricks to handle that situation and to control your pronunciation, your breath, your confidence, your pressure, and how to cope up these. So trick number one that I used to use, because when I started giving interview, I be honest, I was also under stress. I was very underconfident and my voice shake and fumble. So and my pronunciation, especially I suffer a lot with pronunciation. So I researched some, like I searched some hacks on internet and I found some tricks. I watch an interview of PC also. She also, like आपने प्रियंका चोपड़ा का नोटिस किया होगा, she has very good pronunciation. She travels a lot India abroad and she is controlling her voice. Clear your pronunciation, put a pencil horizontally among your teeth like this and then pronounce and read the sentence or paragraph. You like you we obviously prepare some answers for our interviews, so speak them loudly after putting that pencil bit among your teeth. Like if I have to say hello guys, welcome to my channel, so how will I prepare that? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Did you see the difference? It clears your pronunciation and clears your voice. If you don't have any paragraph and you are not prepared for any answer for any sentence, then prepare my trick. Kapata, kapate, kapato, kapatu, kapati, kapate. It means cap, T, A, R, E, which we often use in any sentence. It has those words, letters actually. और जितना ज़्यादा ज़ोर से बोल सको उतना ही ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा. इट विल मेक योर वॉइस क्लियरर एंड स्पीच एंड साउंड बेटर एंड enhance your confidence. This works because it forces your mouth to open completely properly and improves your pronunciation. Hack number 2 is exaggerating practice. It means overacting every word, like I was going, I am studying, I did MSc in. So hack number second is that speak every word like you are speaking, overacting every word. For example, I am very excited for this opportunity. So what happens, why it works, it train your mouth muscles and later your natural speech becomes clearer and expressive. Hack number 3, the humming sound. Before your before 1 or 2 minutes of your interview, do this sound for 1 to 2 minutes. This is called humming. It relaxes your throat and makes your sound more deeper, smoother, and more stable. Hack number 4 is tongue twister. Practice some tongue twister. Practice fast but must be clearer. For example, रेड लेदर, येलो लेदर, रेड लेदर, येलो लेदर, या जो भी वट एवर. अब हम लोग बहुत सारे टंग ट्विस्टर सुनते हैं. यू कैन प्रैक्टिस दैम. How it works, it removes tongue stiffness and make your voice clear your speech, and this improves your speed and accuracy. Hack number 5 is slow normal speed trick. For example, like whatever is your paragraph, practice it slowly and then continue in your normal speed and then fast. So what happens, it builds your confidence and removes your fumbleness, which automatically comes under pressure during the interviews. Hack number 6 is breath power trick. So what you have to do, take a deep breath from your stomach, not your chest, then speak. How it works, your voice will sound more stronger and more confident instantly after this. Hack number 7 is mirror eye contact practice. Practice your interview, like look into your eyes in the mirror and then practice your interview. Speak in front of a mirror and maintain eye contact with yourself, or you can record yourself also while doing it. It improves not just your voice and your confidence, your overall interview presence is improves with the help of this. Hack number 7 is record yourself and watch your videos and listen to your recordings, record your sound and improve yourself, because you are your biggest and best teachers. Nobody can improve you more than, because sometimes in interviews it's not what you say, it's how you say it. Use the conversation level rule. Speak like if you are speaking with your respected teacher who is sitting 3 to 4 feet away from you. No shouting, no whispering, just clear, confident and balanced voice. Start slightly louder than your normal voice. What happens, it removes your nervousness and it makes you look more confident. Take pause, don't rush. I will suggest don't rush, because this is the mistake I used to do during my beginning days. In my beginning interviews, I thought that I should keep on speaking. If I will take pause, it will show that I am underconfident or I don't know the answer. So don't make this mistake. You just have to answer clearly. Take your time, prepare, frame your answer in the best way, only then speak, and take proper breaths before speaking. Do remember, don't maintain a flat note. Always do voice modulation, highlight the keywords, because you can't risk boring, making your interviewers bore with you. You need to look confident, so don't speak in a flat tone. There is no way. In the end, I would say hydration is must, breathing is must, and preparing some practicing these tricks and hacks for speech and voice is must. And you are just interview ready. Don't panic, be confident, be calm, frame your answers, only then speak. Don't rush, don't shout, don't whisper. Be calm and composed, balanced and confident, and you are just ready for the interview. So don't panic and prepare all of these tricks. I can guarantee you, anybody who is just beginner, with these hacks be interview ready anyhow. All you have to do, just be honest to yourself and prepare them nicely. I hope this video will help you, and share this with your friends who are also suffering with speech and with interview fear. And one more thing, it is not just for interviews. In daily life also, there are many people you will see, they suffer with speech and pronunciation. There are a few friends of mine also, they struggle with pronouncing certain words. So these tricks help them also to clear their speech and to improve their pronunciation. So whoever surround you is suffering from speech and who is taking speech therapy and suffering from pronunciation, then advise them to watch this video and share this video with them and do the social work. So subscribe the channel.
Subscribe the channel.
Say please subscribe the channel.
Say please subscribe the channel.
Like and share.
Like and share, subscribe.
Follow कर लो. So do practice these hacks just for 10 minutes daily, and they will build your strong voice. It will make your sound clearer, confident, smooth, and when you sounds strong, it automatically builds confidence in you and people start believing in you. So your sound quality is very important, and your speech quality also does matter, and instantly it makes you interview ready. So follow these hacks and be interview ready, and best of luck guys for your interview, and best wishes, and don't forget to subscribe the channel please. Glow and grow with Nidhi. Have a nice day.